Hey guys, welcome back with another YouTube video. What
Bring that, boo boo.
are we going to be doing today, Nora?
Okay, so
Nora, what are we going to do today?
I'm making slime, and I never
Okay.
make slime.
You guys can see by that.
I don't know if we actually have normal salt, like table salt.
Like the one that we used to have.
Sea salt. So I don't know if that's gonna work.
Guys, check it out and let's see if you guys can spot the salt. I know, you guys, this used to be salt right here,
But there's no
but it ran out. So
Oh, yeah,
that's
salt
bad.
right here.
Yep.
I don't know. Hold this.
I'm scared.
No, Mocha. Oh.
Okay, Nora, I'm going to be
Please
videoing
don't
you.
let her get this, okay? Okay. I don't know if this is gonna work with sea salt. Over here.
Sea
A little
salt?
closer.
That won't even work.
I don't know. It's the only salt we have. It's gonna take a little while.
Doing a good job, Mom.
She's a Colombian, so she
Nora,
she
seriously,
has
stop.
lots of salt.
Nora,
at
stop.
Colombia. And yeah, so she lives at Colombia.
Here, let me hold this and you spin it.
Okay.
Oh, into the spoon or at least the bowl.
Really bad.
No, you're not.
I'm not a Colombian person. Only my mom is. So.
You've got Colombian blood.
My mom's really tan. Look how white I am.
Yeah,
I'm really
You're
white.
tan.
actually, I'm actually.
I'm
the
a little bit tan.
whitest-
Can you guys check?
Actually, I'm
Look
the
at,
whitest
look at.
person.
My mom's literally so tan.
Actually, I'm the whitest person
Okay.
because when I was a baby, I was like the color white. That's like this white. This white.
Come on.
Okay, my hand.
Come on.
And a few days ago, guys, yesterday, I was with my friend Luca. I asked him, hey, what's your name? Do you have your own YouTube channel? And he said, yeah, Luca99. And I typed in 99 by accident, and I saw a guy sitting on a toilet. And it was on Xbox, and it said, Call of Duty.
Yeah, well, this is the work it takes.
I want you to do it.
Why,
You're a
Nora?
Colombian person, so.
Okay,
you
Nora,
just
stop.
That has nothing to do with it. You gotta go quick. Baby, come closer to me.
Luca, if you're watching this video, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell to turn on notifications, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video.
Okay, can we dump it now?
You guys, what would you
That one
do?
we have to do another one.
Help.